First impressions don't give second chances. Science says it takes just a blink, 7 seconds, for someone to decide who you are. Mess it up? You might as well try to fix a cracked phone screen with toothpaste. Frustrating. Pointless. Whether you're stepping into a job interview, showing up on a date, or meeting someone who could change your life, your vibe walks in before your voice does. But here's the good news. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be memorable, magnetic, and real. Let's break down how to impress anyone instantly, using psychology, not pretending. Step 1. Walk in like you're already welcome. People feel your energy before they hear your words. So drop the slouch, shoulders back, head high. Walk like you're heading somewhere important, but not like you're storming the runway. That balance of calm confidence, unstoppable. Pro hack, do a Superman pose in private before you meet them. Feet apart, hands on hips, deep breaths. Why? It lowers cortisol, stress, and boosts testosterone, confidence. Science backs it. Try it, you'll feel like a boss. Step 2. Make it about them, not you. You want them to like you? Make them feel liked first. Use their name early. Great to meet you, Jordan. Ask something that actually matters, instead of, what do you do? Try, what's something you love about what you do? Instead of, how was your weekend? You'd ask, what was the best part of your week? Then listen. Really listen. React, nod, smile, mirror their energy, but stay yourself. Bonus trick. People love hearing their own name. Drop it once or twice naturally. Their brain lights up like a notification alert. Step 3. Nail the greeting. Your first physical cue matters. Handshake? Firm, not bone-crushing. Eye contact. 2 to 3 seconds. No handshake? A relaxed wave or nod does wonders when paired with a genuine smile. Respect the vibe. If they're chill, don't come in blazing. Step 4. The 70-30 rule, talk less, win more. Want to seem interesting? Let them talk. Let them feel heard. 70% them, 30% you. When you speak, echo their words back. They say, I just hiked in the Alps. You say, the Alps? That's insane. What was the view like? Pro hack. Nod slightly while they speak. It triggers instant trust and emotional safety. Step 5. Use body language that whispers confidence. Words are 7%. Tone is 38%. But body language? A whopping 55%. Keep hands visible. Don't cross your arms. You're not cold or closed off. Don't fidget like you're looking for an escape route. Lean in, smile. Mirror, don't mimic. Be present, be still, be confident. Step 6. End on a high note. People remember the start and the finish, so make the last moment golden. Say something simple but powerful. It was awesome meeting you. Let's keep this going sometime. Or thanks for the chat, and this was the best part of my day. Smile. Walk away clean, no lingering, no awkward backpedal. Final truth. People don't want perfect, they want real. Don't chase approval. Shift the script from I hope they like me to let's see if we vibe. Suddenly the pressure's off. You're not performing, you're connecting. The instant impression cheat sheet. 1. Enter with confidence, posture, pace, presence. 2. Use their name and make them feel seen. 3. Greet with intention, match energy, show warmth. 4. Talk less, listen more, 70% them, 30% you. 5. Master body language, open, calm, connected. 6. Exit strong, a kind word and a smooth goodbye. 7. Stay real. Authenticity beats perfection every time. Your challenge? Try just one of these in your next conversation. Then come back and tell me what changed. And hey, if you want more psychology-powered life skills that actually work, hit that subscribe button. Let's upgrade your game together.